Tali Train consists of 4 game-based exercises that target children's abilities to maintain focus on a task, concentrate whilst learning something new, avoid distractions, prevent impulsive behaviour, avoid fidgeting, and switch between tasks. Each Tali exercise lasts for 4 minutes, and children are required to complete 4 exercises in every training session. Therefore, each session requires 16 minutes of active concentration to complete the exercises. Once children have completed a training session, so successfully completed all 4 exercises, they are taken to the Tali toy room, where they can view and interact with the toys they have acquired as a result of training thus far. The selection exercise is aimed at strengthening selective attention. Selective attention allows us to focus on relevant information whilst ignoring other information that is irrelevant. This exercise asks children to locate a certain target on the screen whilst ignoring distractors. For instance, locating medium orange fish whilst filtering out distractor fish that differ in colour, size, shape, pattern and orientation. As the child progresses through this exercise, the levels become more complex with the addition of new distractors that become harder and harder to distinguish from the target. This skill is known as sustained attention, and this focus task aims to train a child's ability to focus on one task over a period of time. This exercise asks children to follow a target as it moves around the screen. Children are required to press the target as quickly as they can when it stops moving. This exercise increases in difficulty by prolonging the time before the target stops moving and adding in distractor items. It is crucial that children are able to control what they attend to and what they ignore. Without this ability, children would become overwhelmed with information and struggle to prioritise what should be remembered. The Tali control exercise requires children to locate a particular target and to make a directional response, left or right, depending on the orientation or colour of the target. This exercise becomes more complex by adding distractors that face in either the same direction as the target or the opposite direction. The Inhibition exercise trains children to resist distractions, give a more considered response, and avoid one's first reaction. This exercise is based on a go-no-go task and requires children to touch any targets they see as quickly as possible, but not to press any non-target or distractors that may appear. This task increases in difficulty by reducing the time children are able to make a response and by introducing distractors that disguise themselves as targets. These disguises are designed to prompt children to initiate a go response, which they are then required to inhibit at the last minute when the disguise disappears.